My name is Munir Ahmad, SN1 Nightingale. Today we are going to report vitamin A. Vitamin A, a vital nutrient for vision, growth, and immune function. Vitamin A, also known as retinol, is a fat-soluble vitamin, crucial for various bodily functions, including vision, growth, and immune system health. This essay will into the chemistry of vitamin A, its diverse function, the consequence of deficiency, and the best dietary sources to ensure adequate intake. Chemistry of vitamin A. Vitamin A is a complex molecule belonging to the retinoid family. It exists in various forms including retinol, retinal, and acid. It's playing a distinct role in the body. This is a chemistry of vitamin A. Function of vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a vital role in numerous physiological processes. This is a poor function of vitamin A. Vitamin A deficiency. A lack of vitamin A can lead to various health problems, especially in children. Night blindness. This is an easily sign of vitamin A deficiency, characterized by difficulty seeing in dim light. These are 5 symptoms of vitamin A deficiency. Number 1, dry skin. Number 2, dry eyes. Number 3, delayed growth. Number 4, poor wound healing. Number 5, night blindness. Source of vitamin A. To ensure adequate vitamin A intake, it's essential to consume a balanced diet rich in both reformed vitamin A and provitamin A carotenoids. Sources of vitamin A: carrots, avocado, meat, and etc.